I would like to introduce a faith-based approach in family planning as one of the topics in reproductive health in our organization. We know that family planning is one of the controversial issues in the community, but we also have to know that the opposition to contraception is rooted in religion. So when we hear political and government leaders oppose family planning, some of them will find that the basic premise is their religious beliefs. So we have to understand that the importance of faith as well. But also we have to know that faith leaders or religious leaders will always prefer or will always believe in scripture more than scientific data. So we will not convince faith leaders by just quoting research data if that does not have any relationship with the scripture, which is the foundation for what they are doing. So we have to understand that. But even believers will always consult faith leaders before consulting professionals, even in health-related issues. Why? It is because the main concern of believers is what will happen to me when I depart this world as a result of my current behavior. They will always want to know what will happen to them. So as a result, they consult faith leaders who do not even know health issues. So we need to invest in faith leaders as champions to help us in making sure that everything is addressed in a proper way. And one of the other things we are doing in this topic, what is acceptable in the faith community, why people oppose family planning, what's the impact of opposing family planning, and what could be done to address this misconception. So investing in faith leaders will be very much helpful in dealing with the controversial issues like family planning.